If you do what I'm about to show you, you'll never forget another dream again. I started just like you. I couldn't remember a single dream. But after years of testing and helping others figure it out, I found what actually works. So why are you not remembering your dreams? Well, because dreams are fragile. Unless you catch them within 5 minutes of waking up, they vanish. Studies show we forget half of a dream in 5 minutes, and 90% within 10 minutes. And if you're not sleeping long enough or waking up at weird times, you might not even get those deep REM stages where the vivid dreams happen. But the good news is that it's 100% fixable, and I'll show you how. Step 1. Sleep long enough to dream. If you're not sleeping at least 7 to 9 hours, you're not giving your brain a real chance to dream. Let me explain. Dreams mostly happen during REM sleep, and REM cycles get longer and more vivid the longer you sleep. Most of your dreams happen in the last few hours of the night. Step 2. Dream journal. Keep a notepad right beside your bed. The second you wake up, write down what you remember from your dream. Do not write an essay. A couple sentences is fine to start off. This tells your brain that dreams matter, and it'll start to remember more. Step 3. Stay still and replay. The moment you wake up, don't move. You can probably remember times where you've woken up remembering a great dream, and within minutes you can't remember a single thing about it. Like I said earlier, dream memories are very fragile. The second you start thinking about your day, grab your phone, or even sit up, the memory starts vanishing. The method that I'm about to share is easily the best way to remember dreams that nobody talks about. When you wake up, you need to replay the last thing you remember in your dream. What's the first word, image, or feeling that comes up? It could be a colour, a person, a place, or a mood. Now follow it backwards. Let your memory unravel one piece at a time. Oftentimes, the entire dream will flood back, not because you tried to recall it, but because you allowed it to return. This is just the surface of how dream re-entry works. I made a full step-by-step guide that walks you through exactly how to recover dreams in the exact moment you wake up. It goes way deeper into this method, so if you're interested, you can get it for free in the description. Now let's move on to the common beginner mistakes. Number 1, writing essays every morning. I made this mistake too, and I ended up giving up not too long after. Nobody wants to write a novel the second they wake up. It turns dream journaling into a chore. Your goal isn't to archive your dreams, but to build a relationship with your subconscious by reminding it that your dreams are important. Next is grabbing your phone first thing in the morning. As we've discussed, you're going to forget your dream quickly after. And finally, expecting full dreams right away. Dream recall comes gradually, and when it does, it's awesome, but you have to trust the process.